Have you ever felt that your family meals are becoming increasingly boring? In today's video, I'll show you the secret to making family meals more appealing. This method is extremely simple and anyone can do it at home. Let's get started. First, I cracked 4 eggs into a bowl. Eggs are a familiar ingredient in almost every kitchen. They are rich in protein, easy to prepare, and can be combined with many different ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. I used a whisk to mix the egg yolks and whites thoroughly. Then I took a sieve and slowly strained the entire egg mixture into the cup below. Many people often skip this step, but straining helps remove any remaining egg white strands and air bubbles, resulting in a much smoother and more appealing finished product after steaming. At this point, I have 2 ripe, juicy oranges with vibrant colors. I use a knife to cut off the top of each orange. Which country are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Next, I used a spoon to gently scoop out all the orange segments. At this step, just do it slowly so that the peel doesn't tear, because the dish we're about to make today requires this intact peel. After removing the pulp, I placed the 2 oranges on top of 2 cups to hold them in place. Next, I spread a thin layer of butter over the entire inside of the orange peel. This butter prevents sticking, making it easier for the eggs to separate from the shell when cooked, and also enhances the flavor, adding a light, creamy aroma, making the steamed eggs richer and more appealing. Then slowly pour the egg mixture into each egg, filling it to about 2/3 full. Next, I added some milk. The milk helped to make the egg flavor richer, creamier, and softer after steaming. I used a small spoon to gently stir inside the orange so that the milk would mix with the egg. I have a piece of chicken breast sliced into bite-sized pieces. You know, chicken breast is a great source of protein, low in fat, and has a light, refreshing taste, making it a perfect pairing with eggs. In a hot pan, I added some cooking oil and then poured in all the sliced chicken. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. I only fry them briefly until the surface is slightly golden and firm. Then I take them out. On the cutting board, I sliced the king oyster mushrooms. This type of mushroom has a slightly crispy texture, a naturally sweet flavor, and absorbs seasonings very easily. After slicing the mushrooms, add them to the pan where you just stir-fried the chicken. Next up are carrots. Besides their attractive color, carrots have a natural sweetness and are rich in beta-carotene. Finally, there's the yellow bell pepper. Bell peppers aren't spicy, they have a subtly sweet flavor, and they're very rich in vitamin C. Stir continuously until all ingredients are evenly cooked. Then add the chicken breast. Continue stirring evenly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of ground black pepper. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Finally, add a little cilantro. Once all the ingredients are mixed together, transfer them to a plate. Then, I put the orange stems back in their original positions. I place them in the steamer and close the lid tightly. Turn on the stove to medium heat and steam continuously for 20 minutes. The aroma at this moment is truly captivating. When the oranges in the steamer were done, I gently opened the lid. A delicate aroma of oranges mingled with the scent of warm eggs immediately wafted up. I took the 2 oranges out and let them cool for a few minutes. This was the moment I'd been waiting for. I placed the orange on the cutting board. I gently sliced it into large rounds with a knife. And look! Inside the orange peel was a smooth, creamy egg custard, retaining the orange's original round shape. The slices were incredibly beautiful. The custard was smooth, soft, and had a subtle, natural orange aroma. I arranged the slices of orange-colored egg on a plate, placing them next to the finished stir-fried chicken breast with vegetables. The light creaminess of the eggs and milk, combined with the natural aroma of the orange peel, creates a truly unique flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more people can discover these simple yet creative cooking tips. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.